Hey everyone, need to create awesome client videos fast? Today we're comparing three popular tools, Descript, Weed.io, and CapCut. Let's break them down and see which one's best for your needs. First, Descript. Descript is like a magic text editor for videos and podcasts. You upload your video and it turns the audio into text. Edit the text and the video changes too. It's super easy for fixing interviews and podcasts with features like auto transcription, voice cloning, and filler words removal, but it's not the best for fancy visual effects. Next, Veed.io. Veed is a web-based editor that's great for quick professional videos. It has AI tools like auto subtitles, noise removal, and even AI avatars for cool voiceovers. It's perfect for social media, marketing, or training videos. Plus, teams can work together online. The downside, some features need a paid plan. Now, CapCut. CapCut is a mobile-first app, but it also works on desktop. It's free, packed with trendy filters, effects, and a huge music library. It's awesome for short, eye-catching social media videos like TikTok or Instagram Reels, but it's not as strong for long videos or team projects. So how do they compare? Speed. CapCut's templates make it the fastest for quick social media clips. Veed is close behind with one-click AI tools. Descript is slower but great for dialogue-heavy content. Best for. Descript shines for podcasts and interviews. Veed is great for businesses and team projects. CapCut rules for social media creators. Who wins? If you need fast social media videos, go with CapCut. For polished business or team content, Veed.io is your pick. For podcasts or interviews, Descript is the champ. Choose based on your project. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite tool and like and subscribe for more tips.